Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting control of motion and light. Place a clean Zoetrope vinyl on a steady turntable and set it to a precise speed. 33/1/3 or 45 RPM are easiest. Once done, decide how you'll sample frames: a strobe light, an LED with adjustable frequency, or your phone camera set to a fixed frame rate. Make sure the record's label or a marker gives you a clear reference for 1 revolution. This helps later when matching light pulses to frames. Now you match light pulses to image frames so motion locks into place. Count how many drawings are on the Zoetrope band to get pulses per revolution. Divide by revs per second to find pulses per second. Next, tune your strobe or LED frequency until the images freeze and animate smoothly. If you use a camera, set its FPS and shutter duration so each frame captures 1 Zoetrope image per revolution. Keep small speed adjustments in mind. Slight offsets cause jitter or reversed motion. Finish by refining phase and clarity for a crisp animation. Slowly tweak the turntable RPM and the strobe phase until each drawing aligns like frames in a movie. Make sure to check from the same viewing angle. To cut blur, narrow the viewing slit or shorten camera shutter time and reduce ambient light. If you see flicker, tearing, or reversed motion, recheck your pulses per rev math and confirm stable power to the light. Unstable frequency is the most common culprit. Then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.